Hi there, I'm Jack from Maximum Solutions, and today I'd like to show you our Pronto Mini Dome IP-based wireless CCTV camera. This is one of our IP-based Wi-Fi cameras, and I'm just going to run through a few reasons why this is an excellent product for a large range of consumers and businesses. So, some key features of this device include the fact that it can pan, tilt and zoom, which allows it to focus on any direction and record any direction that you wish it to. It's got a powerful speak and listen feature, so you're able to both speak through the device and also listen to the audio that is being broadcasted through it from the camera lens. So that's an excellent addition. It also offers 24/7 monitoring from any device, which is fantastic because you can download it on both the Play Store, iOS and Android, etc. And even better, its setup is so simplistic, and you can have it up and running on your phone or any device in up to 3 minutes, or in as little as 3 minutes, I should say. And I've set up multiple of these, and it takes, if that, to be honest. So, if you need a compact, high-powered CCTV device, then this is essential for you, and you should continue watching this review. So, where can the camera be used? Essentially, anywhere there's an IP network. So, anywhere there's a Wi-Fi network that you can sync this to, it can be used, which is excellent. It's very, very adaptable, and you can have it anywhere you want it, really. Furthermore, it can be standalone, so you can rest it up on its own, or it can be wall mounted. So it has a wall bracket screw on the bottom, which allows you to mount it to any wall that you'd like to make it as discreet or as, indiscreet as you want it. So it is massively good for stuff like that. So, where is this best to use? This is an excellent product to put in your office or at home. So you could have it hanging around the house somewhere. I have multiple hanging around my house, all configured to different locations, which is very handy for me. It's also excellent as a baby monitor. So if you're looking to keep an eye on a infant, you hear them crying, etc., using the two-way audio feature of this camera, you can absolutely keep an eye on your child. It's also great for looking after an elderly relative. If you just want to keep an eye on a more vulnerable member of your family, it's great, and you can just regularly sort of update when you might want to see them or see the feed just to see that they are okay. Another one of the key uses of this product would be just to have it sitting on the Wi-Fi in a holiday home. So this, using the email and motion tracking notifications, can allow you to see whenever anyone enters your house, apartment, villa, and this will allow you to keep an eye on who it is and be aware whenever anyone is in your property. The list of useful places you can use this is literally endless, and as our Pronto slogan says, Pronto, better protection through superior knowledge, and this certainly provides you with superior knowledge and better protection. So I've just been over a list of the features, and of course I can't touch on everything today as the video would just simply be too long. But this product has an innumerable amount of features that are worth mentioning, and it is such a fantastic product for the price that you pay. So all in all, thank you very much for tuning in today and giving this a watch. Very much enjoyed making it, and I've enjoyed presenting such an excellent product. So please get in touch while stocks last at Maximum Solutions, and otherwise have a nice day. Take care.